Alright, quit breathing on the mic. Alright, we're back here with Jimbo the Hillbilly, and we're going to finish up this auger pull start mechanism.
Very good wording.
Alright, so the first thing we have to do is Dremel this bolt off here. Do that here.
Remember not to cuss now.
Yes. I just got a little plastic on the top, that's fine. We'll live. Yeah, let's take the razor blade. Okay. Oh, I gotta do the side too. Dremel that off.
You might not even have to do the sides. They'll clear on the sides, man.
Oh, she barely fits. She's gotta be loose though.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do that pull still.
Yeah, it has to be loose on there.
So
I'm gonna scrape it with the blade.
You're gonna have to do that.
Looks like it has enough meat though.
But I mean, the side on the outside that goes in the big round on the outside, you shouldn't have to do nothing with that. It looks like it'll clear.
There's one big bump. I think I'll smooth it out. All right. Alright, now all the rest of the stuff I should be able to do with the razor blade here, I think.
Looks like that Dremel works a lot faster than the razor blade would.
Well, of course it does, but it also takes off more material than I really want to take off.
Oh, I see.
It just cut this damn piece of cardboard out here.
If you it up, we can always just order a replacement
come on, man.
part.
You keep swearing.
Oops.
I gotta bleep that out.
If you mess it up, we can always order the replacement parts. There, now you can just take it all out of there and there.
I'm just taking this piece of cardboard out here because it makes it easier.
Oh, is that just a piece of cardboard in there?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was a piece of plastic you glued into there for more reinforcement.
I just used it as a dam because I only wanted to get a small portion.
Oh, okay. I thought you had to cut that down there too.
I only wanted to fill a small portion behind that peg.
Oh, that's you're just freehand cutting. I'll get a little closer.
I'm using these two as a level here, so I know where to trim it.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, you basically just need that top flat, and then that one piece able to freely move. You know what I'm saying? On that little, you know what it is.
Oh, there goes the piece.
It went face down too. I don't know if anything came out of here.
That's where it's not fitting right there. I can see the putty on it.
See, I see them three. I see the spring. I see that, and then you do have the little thing that catches the flywheel up there. Then.
Yeah.
Okay, they're all here then.
That's what I was test fitting.
They're all here. Yeah, see that part you could probably just leave alone, man. It's not gonna hit on anything.
Just getting the big pieces off the edge.
Yeah, but you like completely filled it in with epoxy on them two sides, right? That thing ain't gonna go nowhere, especially with that screw in there.
That should be in there like rock solid anyway.
That's
should have enough support from all the other stuff that's
and then the screw too. I mean, it's got that screw in there to hold it. That's the main thing that's gonna be holding that is that screw.
Oh, swearing again. Not to make a swear jar for you.
It's only like a 30-year-old piece on there. It's probably not getting brittle or nothing. You know what I'm saying? All the parts that's epoxied to, it's brittle.
Well, she's in there and she's sliding smooth. She has enough material to stay in there.
And is it sliding on that thing smooth?
Yep. And
okay. Just when you take that screw out, you got to make sure to always hold down on that so you don't so you know what I'm talking about, the recoil doesn't get up.
I need a swear jar for you.
Oops. You do. You should get one. Should we start it now? And then
you'll be our first donator for equipment.
Yeah, that's what I was just going to say. The donations could go towards the equipment.
Oops. Boy, that's pretty loud there. Sorry. Oh, yeah. Now she's loosey-goosey. There we go. Alright, so we got all that trimmed off there, happy. And now where's the other pieces?
Right here, man. I just left them down there. I just zipped it
Alright,
shut.
let's get this on here.
You got to take your one screw out of there.
I know.
Are you sure it's going to be fitting nice and flush? Because that screw's not going to be there, so it's going to be actually sitting flat on here, Norm. Once you take the screw out, this plastic's going to be sitting flat on here.
I'm aware of the situation.
Okay. I figured, it feels like it's flat, but it feels like it might not be. Yep, that's the nut.
We'll just use pliers because we're pros.
That's what I used before.
Wait, this has to have enough clearance on there. I'll have to double check that with the razor blade. Let's take out this temporary screw here.
Just make sure you always hold down on that. Don't lift up.
I think this has enough clearance. Yeah. We have plenty of clearance on
yeah, that thing's set so it'll have clearance, man.
Yep, so put that in there, and then this goes around this shaft.
Yeah, I don't know exactly how that little spring thing works on there. You probably know, though, I hope.
Kind of need a little crimp tighter. Ow! I just stabbed myself with it. That's awesome.
Did you get it on video?
Yeah, it's on video.
Are you bleeding?
I will be. Alright, we'll hold this, and then...
You want me to hold something?
No, I got it. Then we'll just give this a bend here, because... that should be enough. Just a little bit. Alright. Perfect. It wants to go one way, but not the other. So which way? Let's see.
Don't pull the string.
It's the opposite direction. Nope, actually it can only go one direction, that's right, because it's got the peg facing down. Alright, so we'll put this piece in here, and then put the nut on.
No, I can go either way.
It feels like it doesn't have enough clearance.
Let's see something here. I'll tell you if you got it on there the right way here.
There's only one way for it to go. Right?
Well, it can go either way.
I mean, how does it... No, it's going the right way, because you pull the cord, and then it comes out.
Yeah. And
So
I think the cord, when you pull the cord, it should spin it this way, I'm pretty sure. When you're pulling the cord, it should spin this way. Counterclockwise. And then it'll recoil back in clockwise, I believe. Am I right?
Looks like it's working to me.
Oh, you got it already. Is it going out to its maximum farness that it's supposed to go out to? Because remember how I said it wasn't always catching on the flywheel? And then you fixed it, and it always caught on there since you fixed it.
It's going out the maximum.
Okay. That looks like it'll work beautifully.
Alright, I would call that fixed, and here's the rest of your screws to put on the bolts down there.
Well, tighten that bolt down.
Oh!
Tighten it, can you?
Speak into the mic.
Tighten that bolt down. Yeah, tighten that as tight as you can get it down there. With those, yeah, as long as you can get it tight, like snug, good.
Oh, she's getting juicy there.
Okay, is it gonna pull okay? The recoiling okay? With the tight like that?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright.
You think that'll hold out, huh?
Yeah, I think it'll hold out. It's all fixed.
Here's what I'm gonna do with this. Test how much that's taking enough pressure, you know what I'm saying?
I think it'll take plenty of pressure. Alright, she's all fixed up. How do you feel?
Better?
You feel better about it?
A little bit. It's my dad's Auger, really.
Booyah. Well, Try not to break it again.
I didn't even break it this time.
Otherwise, we might have to order replacement parts for it.
Definitely have to order parts next time, I'm sure. If
Booyah.
it's that again.
Alright, adventure over.